These are some of my favorite Monster Jam trucks. Pirate's Curse, driven by Justin Hicks. Blue Thunder, driven by Todd LeDuc and Chelsea Van Cleve. Avenger, driven by Jim Koehler. Scooby-Doo, driven by Lindsay Reed and Logan Ashleen. King Crunch, driven by Dylan Fenley. Superman, driven by Tony Oakes. Okay. Scarlet Bandit, driven by Don Cretan, Lady Driver. Maximum Destruction, Max D, driven by Tom Meents and Blake Granger. I hope you liked my video. Subscribe to more content by Double Bacon Chaseburger. Adios.